If you are an investor or OFW retiree at naghahanap ka ng perfect home, at ito ang preference mo, merong 6 bedrooms perfect for big families, facing east or morning sun, a corner lot, merong basement, and most importantly, merong 450 square meters floor area, then this video is for you. Hello everyone, this is Joyce of JYS Property Investment, and another day, another house tour na naman tayo here in Solen Residences, which is a 55-hectare premium development here in Metro Santa Rosa, a part of 400-hectare master plan development of Greenfield City. So, malapit lang tayo sa iba't ibang development. So, we are just few minutes away to Paseo, Nuvali, and also Eton City. So, before natin simulan yung house tour ng interior ng bahay is puntahan muna natin yung ating garden area. So, this property is a corner lot. So, meron siyang malaking space for a pocket garden dito sa ating left side. So, meron na rin tayo ditong fish pond with koi fish. Included na rin siya upon turnover. And meron tayong access dito going to our service area. And also, since this property has a basement, meron din tayong emergency exits na i-share natin later on. So, dito naman sa ating right side is our 2-car garage. So, as you can see, high ceiling siya. So, if meron kang van or any types ng vehicle is kasya siya dito. So, sa malayuan, this one looks like a part of the design. Pero, yan yung ating access going to our daily kitchen. So, just in case galing kayo ng market or yung helpers nyo is from the market and meron siyang dalang mga fresh meat, ayan, fish, hindi na natin kailangan dumaan sa ating main door dahil meron na tayong access dito. Kaya meron mga deliveries ng water, ayan, dito na rin sila dadaan. So if you notice na elevated yung daan natin going to our main entrance, that is because of the basement. So ang kagandahan ng pagkakakonstruct ng basement natin is high ceiling pa rin siya. So hindi siya yung usual na basement na maaabot mo yung ceiling. So papakita din natin siya on this video. So tara! And upon entering, so bubungad sa atin yung ating first bedroom, which is nandito sa ating right side. So, ang kagandahan dito is this one is elderly friendly and meron na rin siyang ensuite toilet and bath. And also, syempre, since this is an elderly room, meron na rin po siyang emergency alarm sa loob. Yung isa po is katabi ng bedside and the other one is sa loob mismo ng ating toilet and bath. So, dito naman sa kabilang side is meron tayong huge window na nakakapag-add ng illusion na bigger room or bigger na area. Though, malaki na talaga yung area natin without the mirror. So, meron din po tayo ditong modular cabinets na meron siyang soft close. And, of course, meron tayo ditong spacious na living area. So, it's up to you kung if you want to customize yung area na to. And, ang kagandahan, both side, ayan, dito at saka dito sa side na to is now-open siya for extra ventilation. So, meron tayong natural airflow. Ang kagandahan is, meron tayong sliding doors and windows, nag-a-add siya ng natural source of light. So, papakita ko na lang sa inyo yung pocket garden na na-mention ko kanina. Tara! So, here's the fish pond na na-mention ko na included na upon turnover. Kung mapapansin nyo, meron tayong fence dun sa ating front yard. That is because meron pong dogs yung ating current owner. So, at least they can run freely dito sa area na hindi na sila makakalabas. Pero that one is removable naman siya. Just in case wala naman kayong pet. So, ayan, pwede natin siyang alisin. And, ayan, kung napapansin nyo, napakalaki pa ng space natin. We can also turn this into a lanai. So, ayan, pwede tayo mag-set up ng table and chairs. Kung mapapansin nyo, meron tayong ganito ito yung actually yung ating emergency exit from the basement. So, actually, meron tayong 3 emergency exits. And bakit mo nga ba pipiliin tumira dito sa Solen Residences? It's because it is close proximity to almost everything. So, malapit tayo sa schools, hospitals, malls, yung mga commercial development, name it. And most especially is very accessible tayo sa 3 major exits like Santa Rosa exit, Eton Greenfield exit, and also Mamplasan exit. Now, eto, meron tayo ditong 8-seater na dining table. So, as you can see, napakalaki pa rin ng space niya with chandelier. And here, ayan, meron tayong center island with breakfast nook. So, ang kagandahan niya is built-in siya. Ayan, hindi siya yung table na nilagay lang. So, it's personalized. So, yung owner ng ating property is very hands-on talaga siya. Mula sa pagbubungkal pa lang ng lupa hanggang sa finishing ng ating property. And, ayan, this is our spacious kitchen area. So, ayan, meron tayo ditong 2-door na fridge. So, ayan, ang ganda niya kasi personalized talaga siya. Usually naman kapag malalaking houses here in Solen Residences, meron talaga siyang, nilalagyan talaga siya ng space for at least 2-door na refrigerator. So, as what I've mentioned, yung ating permanent fixtures is already included upon turnover. And this one, ito yung access natin going to our daily kitchen. So, na-mention ko din kanina yung access natin, direct access from the carport going to the daily kitchen para hindi ka na dadaan sa ating main door. And another one, this one is our access to our service area. Meron din tayo ditong toilet and bath. And also, nandito rin yung ating helper's quarter. And now, puntahan naman natin yung ating basement. Tara! We are here sa ating basement. So, kung napansin nyo yung basement natin, unlike sa mga previous house and lot na na-feature natin is na-maximize talaga siya. Since initially, family home talaga yung plan nung ating owner is minaximize na nila yung space para maging family area na rin siya. Wherein, this one supposedly is the theater room. This one, plan nila So, this area naman is plan nila maglagay ng billiards table. And sa kabilang dulo is the lounge area. Pero, changes of plan. So, currently, meron siyang gym equipment. Pero, ayan, as you can see, open layout siya. So, as you can see, meron tayong 2 poste dito for a stronger foundation ng ating basement. So, meron din tayong 1 bedroom dito sa ating basement. So, ito is ginawa siyang music room nung isa sa anak nung ating owner. And dito naman sa kabila, hindi ko na siya ipapakita. Pero ito yung ating storage room. So, meron lang siya mga personal gamit ng ating client. So, again, if you are someone na naghahanap ng property na with basement, ayan, this one could be the perfect fit for you. So, kung napapansin nyo, actually, maaliwala siya and meron tayong mga windows. So, itong windows na to, ito yung nakita nyo kanina dun sa ating garage area. While yung windows dito sa room and itong other 2 windows here are also emergency exit. So, this property is also semi-furnished upon turnover. So, all the fixtures included na siya, yung mga modular cabinets natin, yung air conditioner, and of course, yung ating solar panel. So, if ever meron kayong furniture na gustong i-keep, pwede naman natin siyang i-negotiate sa current owner. So, now, let's check our second floor. So, kung mapapansin nyo dito, meron pa tayong huge windows. Tinted na rin siya for extra privacy. Now, ayan, meron tayong wooden handle with glass railing. So, let's start with our first bedroom. So, ito yung ating mga regular size na rooms. And Ito yung ating, ayan, kung mapapansin nyo, spacious yung ating common toilet and bath para sa ating bedroom 1 and bedroom 2. So, lahat po ng comfort room natin is full toilet and bath na siya. This one is another bedroom. So, ayan. As you can see, minaximize din yung space. Meron tayo ditong mga cabinet. So, it's up to you. Again, once ma-turn over yung house, pwede mo naman siyang ipa-customize depending on your preference and also your choice. Now, this one is another elderly room na merong ensuite toilet and bath. Since supposedly it is a family room, so since merong kasamang elderly yung ating client, is meron siyang included na emergency alarm. So yung room natin sa first floor and etong room natin sa second floor is dedicated for an elderly. So meron na silang ensuite toilet and bath, plus meron na din tayong emergency alarm both dun sa side ng bed and also sa ating sa loob ng ating toilet and bath. Let's check our master bedroom. So dito sa ating master bedroom, meron tayong king size bed. So kung napansin nyo yung other beds natin, meron naman silang queen size. This one, it has an office space. Meron ding own balcony or private balcony, plus the good thing about this one, aside from the ensuite toilet and bath, is meron din siyang walk-in closet. So perfect siya, lalo na if couple yung gagamit ng ating master bedroom, kasi meron na rin siyang aside from the walk-in closet, meron na din siyang his and hers na sink. So, just in case kailangan nilang gumamit ng sabay or kailangan nyo gumamit ng sabay. Now, I'm gonna show you the balcony. So, ayan. Kung mapapansin nyo, compare dun sa mga other projects na na-feature na natin, yung balcony natin dito is very spacious. Ayan. So, pwede na rin siyang gawing family area, lalo na if mahilig kayong mag-bonding, uminom ng coffee. Katulad nga nung na-mention ko, this one is facing east. So, in the morning, meron kayong sariwang hangin, plus may enjoy nyo yung morning sun. And I believe that's the end of our house tour. Now, balik naman tayo sa baba. And that's it for today's video. So, we already presented to you how beautiful this house is and how it is ideal for you as an investor or an OFW retiree. So, if you want to personally visit this house and lot, you can contact me at 63965-0759-571 through iMessage, Viber, and WhatsApp. See you!